Hello Corkies, you've probably heard of the traditional Irish coffee. Well, we got a twist for you today. It is the cold brew Irish coffee, and we're going to show you how to make it. Coming right up.
Hello everybody, I'm Bryn and this is Billy and we are part of corkandjava.com. We all know that we're supposed to find enjoyment and fascination with even the little things in life that people take for granted. So to help you do that, we are here to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. We do wine how-tos and reviews, so make sure you hit that subscribe button below and never miss a video.
Awesome. So today we are making not just a traditional Irish coffee, but a cold brew Irish coffee. Yay. So guess what the first thing we need to do is?
Get the coffee?
We need to make some cold brew coffee. All right, so we got our coffee here.
Okay.
And we already showed you in one of our first videos we actually ever made of how we recommend making our cold brewed coffee. It takes anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. This one has been about 24 hours it took us to brew. And all it takes is a decent grinder where you can get French press grinds out of. And I'll leave a link down in the description or on the blog if you're reading there of what grinder we recommend. A great budget grinder, under $100, that'll get the job done. And you'll probably, if you're new to coffee, you might be like, $100 for a grinder? Well, for any kind of serious coffee drinking, the grinder is the most important tool in your tool set. And you want to invest in a burr grinder and something that is a decent quality. I mean, a decent burr grinder, especially if you're making espresso, can be $500+ for even like a mid-tier one. So getting something decent under $100 is pretty good. So next, the thing you want to do is have a like a French press, a standard French press, which they're cheap. I'll leave a link for one of those. You can just pick it up on Amazon, and then you're good to go. Just watch our video. If you stay till the end, I'll link the video in the credits at the end, so make sure to stay tuned for the whole thing. All right, are you ready to make this?
I'm super ready.
All right, so we got our cold brew. That's the most important step.
Okay.
Then we get a glass of ice.
Okay.
So we'll start off with some of the hot stuff. We got Jameson Irish Whiskey here. You can use any Irish whiskey you like. And I forgot to mention up front, we're coming up now on St. Patrick's Day, and that's kind of the inspiration for this one. We wanted to come up with a cocktail that's has a little bit of an Irish twist and something a little bit more unique than your traditional just normal run-of-the-mill Irish coffee. So we put about an ounce to an ounce and a half in this glass, and then we're gonna fill up with about a 3/4 cup over ice of our cold brew coffee. Last but not least, we're going with some Baileys Irish cream. Have you ever drank Baileys out of a shoe, Bryn?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not gonna finish the rest of the quote.
This is stuck.
A lot of you are just not gonna get it and be weirded out.
I'm old Greg. Anyway, so a traditional Irish coffee would have some heavy cream and sweetens with some brown sugar or sugar. If you like your coffee on the sweeter side, I'll add a little bit of simple syrup. That's what I would do, because sugar's not going to dissolve well in a cold brew. So we'll just add a little bit of Bailey's here on top for our cream. And that looks nice.
Yes, it does.
All right, now you can mix it up however you want. All right. You want to do the honors?
Sure.
Good.
Could probably even do a little bit more of the Jameson.
Ooh. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like
Bailey's
it.
Makes it nice and creamy.
Yeah, it makes it nice and creamy. And what I like about this one, it's low calorie, nice and sweet, or not too sweet is what I meant to say. But really, you can have it any way you want it. If you like it sweeter, if you like your coffee sweet, you can add some simple syrup, and that will make it perfectly to taste how you like it. But I like my coffee typically black, so this is definitely the way I would be drinking this.
Yeah. No, it's great.
All right, guys, comment down below with what you're drinking for St. Patrick's Day. Do you have any traditions or anything that you're going to be doing this year special for your St. Patrick's Day drink?
That's going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure that you find us online. We have accounts on Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter, so don't miss out on great content and great conversations and people. We are looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time,
Bottoms up.